And now let's just stay in that meditative state as we turn within to receive today's message, as we breathe in the peace and breathe it out again, letting all the concerns of the world outside the door. We are at peace. We are filled with love, that universal love that animates all of life, that runs in and through everything in our lives. We feel our love joining with the hearts of everyone in this room, everyone in the church, including the children and their caregivers. We feel our love expanding to the community, out to the whole country. Feel it. Know it. It is our natural state. And for this understanding, we do give thanks. Father, Mother, loving God. Amen.